In late July, I spent a day in Palmer, Massachusetts, which is a town located about 2/3 of the way between Worcester and Springfield, Massachusetts. The town has an excellent rail fanning area centered on the restored 19th century Romanesque train station. As luck would have it that day, I got to see a safety train, which are specially designated cars that help train local first responders how to properly respond to train accidents and incidents.
Maybe Mass Central's waiting because he had the high lines going through, maybe? High rails, I mean? Maybe that's why they were waiting. They possibly, because it could have been waiting because of that.
Apparently, I wasn't the only rail fan there that had never seen these special cars.
I've never seen those before, ever.
For more information on the Safety Train program, visit www.thesafetytrain.org.